Team Tessanne, Team Tessanne the Testless, Team Waterway Tessanne big me up on Instagram. Team big up the I Am Jamaican fan page. Team big up Impact RETV, Love 101, Jamaicans.com, New Stock. Team Not Even Water Commission can quench Adam thirst. Adam, that the cashmere sweater day where you did her have on, coming like something that Olivia Pope would have wear. CeeLo, are you engaged to the color black or something? I use a deacon attire. You are look like you could have worked at Dove Cut. As a matter of fact, what make everybody in the device ever in a black or some dark color? Me convinced say on the stylist is goth. It's like a Crayola and them ever in a malice. Virgin Pain can't feel sorry for them. James Woolpert, when me see the you they hit the stage and me see the piece of black and white graphic there, me hardly think say it was a CeeLo song you were going to sing. I remember. James, it look like say a woman lock shop on you. The youth face start bush up like my backyard. Bottom two things start stress him till all him barber disown him. All him tailor mess him up. Stitch two piece of tablecloth and give him for wear. You tell me now. Will Champlin. So then they are Adam Yard and I discuss the contest. Tessanne just did it so and a dash one bag of compliments.
I was completely blown away by your performance.
See you out. Sing and by compliment. Tessanne is so nice, so kind and so humble that if them are gonna remake the Bible, Tess are in there. The book of Tess. Honestly people, right about now, Tessanne is out to be more inspirational than a daily bread. Will Champlin, my youth all about smile this week. I used to smile a while and give your face a rest. Jackie Lee. Oh, I'm sad to say but you hard did well this week. People, me did it and I listen. Wait there. How many years now bleed? I which nincompoop are teach you voice control? This Pokemon, I go answer till 1 point to say a goosebump about to pop through my skin. Not a box foot. I get one slap. You know like when you're little and your mother correct you under the choir? Yeah. Kapoom! So Jackie are done. Here Christina.
You know, it's easy to hit all the high notes in the world, but to do it in a non-boastful and sincere way.
I'm Christina. Your headspace 100%. You ever pre yourself yet? Cause basically, you just tell Jackie say she is everything you are not. So if I tested it, I try to throw a wood pan, guess what? She never catch it. No man, the type of bad mind here need a song. Christina, why you so bad mind? You just hate because you can't whine like Trinita. Hey. But Copa you favor cool no meanie. Now to cool. When I saw CeeLo sitting in that barber chair, me couldn't decide if I trim him a trim or it was just part of him outfit. But wait there, CeeLo head no ball. Me no know how cool friend them do it. I swear, me could par with him as bridging. As him heal me so, I good with this myself. Majesty, worship His majesty. So cool in the barber chair. The youth will finally get to reunite with him neck. Only to see him reach on the stage. Not a box foot change. All them do is herbal essence the man beard.
Yes! Yes!
No.
So Chinita good as time to perform? No. Will Champlin, James and Chinita, they are Adam Yard and they am hey. No Adam, why Tessanne have the right in front of you? Why the box foot? You want to be directly proportional to fear body. So now, them they are rehearsal. That they up there.
Can you hug?
If I never Adam initiated, something would have wrong. Really Mr. Desperation? But yeah, come here.
Come here.
Yeah, Christina Aguilera. A real Tess and the Testless this you know. You know what? Start the show. Michael Koff, wait it.
Point where we've worked so hard. And
cause it look like the NBC is saying team Tess and the Testless right about now. Budabang. Wayne Marshall, you hard need for forward in a this.
Marshall in town, tell them beware Marshall in town.
Puff needs somebody to. Such a neat good as performance start.
When you're weary.
Look contestant, Ray nails them. You hard just know that it was Tamita Good who did them for her. The performance not even start good yet and Tess box out the earpiece. This is where me stop analyze her because that the song there, like a bridge over troubled waters, they start to move me. When Tessanne start bell, she hard took me to crusade at church. Me certain say offering and collection plate did a around in the performance day. No man, that them money pull up performance day would I get rid of Jamaica debt. Me just are know all who did that a passa, a clampetine and tan toddy.
Tan toddy little girl, tan toddy.
Afi, run to the book of Psalms after that. So Tess stand up in the middle of the stage. Cloud just a swirl around our goodness.
Your time has has come.
You know, God, me and you talk right now. Whenever you are choose to come for your world, you need for book test to sing right ahead of it. Cause that their body there and that their voice there was certainly touched by an angel. Oh.
When you walk.
Adam at one point give a piece of me mommer, me popper type of face there.
I'm sailing round.
Tess make Adam frost. Tess take it to them pasta style.
Need a friend.
Can you imagine if she did a do altar call? Tess would have get more people saved than bank. The melody in a Tessanne voice start turn up till Adam start doze off again. But the surprise note there. Shot Adam one box cross in face and wake him up. See the alarm clock note here.
2,000 years later.
That they note the name. The name brand lungs go down Emmanuel Road, Holy Night, Long Division, Chinita Buddha's, Vice Box, Astola, note. During the note there, I could iron my clothes for the week, do a all island tour, wait for my chicken in the fridge for tar out. That the note there did longer than Junior Gang Locks. You could have take the note there out of half a tree.
Copy UC campus, one already.
And it drop you off of you again. Hope Pantes body. Chinita Buddha's body make a flat bridge material. Sturdy and strong. No troubled water can knock that body down. Chat ball. When she are done perform, he start a chat like Miss Kitty. When Tessanne done, I was like, soup, pressure, soup, pressure. Oh, under pressure, Jackie Lee. Because that the performance there, it never shell. It skill. Now to the results show. CeeLo, big up your raincoat dress where you did her have on. Cool Pantes ready-make dress to match her ready-make body. Pre-Christina bad mind look.
I've never been speechless before. That's probably...
Wait. Hold on, pull up. What one right there, so. First, at the breakfast, I yard. No, you make sure I introduce to your mother.
She's right here.
This season, we've seen the best talent ever on the...
One next Christmas dinner, you know, so when me there, I used to say, Adam finally introduced Tessanne Chinita to his mother. I got so hungry, I got so cross, that my eye start stomach. So them just sent home Dexter's lab, aka James Woolper. Carson was about to announce who going to be the first one to go through to the top 3. See Chinita, yeah. Tessanne face start to muscle up again. If it did muscle up anymore, you would have seen a 6-pack. You see, as them call her name, Tessanne bust out, the Shelly and Fraser waiting to exhale, puff.
Tessanne Chin representing Tina.
The way me did excited, me start to do the Mary J. Blige bounce. Me all bust out in a praise and worship.
Celebrate, Jesus, celebrate.
Woo! All around the world me start do.
We run this.
Right about now, to me, the competition is down to the 2 Chinese girl them. Chin versus Lee. So congratulations, Tessanne, on making the top 3. Yeah. So that's it, peeps. Thanks for watching another Dirty Bear show. Make sure that you like, you comment, you share, you subscribe. Much love and see you next Monday. And make sure that you vote. Peace out. People, you know what I are praying? Any Michael Cuff did bad and set out for one date 2 other girl in this competition, in this final, this would have been one big piece and love triangle. Me would have called the love triangle there. Michael, Lee, Chin, or